Hi, I'm Sherry from Whole Circle Studio, and welcome to the Shoreline Shells Block of the Month and Quilt Sew Along. Today I'm going to give you some tips as you begin to make your 11th Shoreline Shells block, one of my favorite blocks that I designed from an object in my home collection, an abstract sand dollar. In addition to this video, please be sure to refer to the tips included in the pattern as well as the links below to additional video tutorials. Let's get started. Before you start working on this block, I suggest getting into a mindset that this one might take a little bit longer to make. There are a good number of paper pieces and some tiny foundation paper piecing. Get your favorite beverage close by, maybe put on your favorite show or music, and just enjoy the process. Your reward at the end will be this beautiful block with rounded edges achieved by some tiny piecing. Even though the fabric pieces and sections are smaller, you'll paper piece exactly how you did the larger pieces. As a reminder, I have some tips and resources for you to make your piecing easier. Be sure to check out my tiny foundation paper piecing video. I have a link to this tutorial below. This block may look complicated to piece, but it really isn't. You've been sewing along and you now have lots of practice, and you've got this. The other nice thing about this block is that there are minimal critical alignments once you're ready to join the paper pieces. You'll be aligning the seams just along the perimeter of the shell, and that's it. I can't wait to see your block come together. Thanks again for being here and sewing along with us. I'll be back next month with even more tips. In the meantime, if you have any questions or comments or something you'd like to share, please let me know. Also, be sure to share your progress on Instagram using the Shoreline Shells hashtags found on the pattern so we can all check out what you're working on. You can also email me photos. My email address can be found in the pattern. I love to see what you're making. See you next month and happy sewing.